In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a Yahoo email account to Gmail. To get started, go to your computer and open Gmail in your web browser. Make sure you are signed in to the Gmail account where you want your Yahoo messages to appear. It helps to do this on a desktop or laptop, since the settings menu is easiest to access there. Once you are in your inbox, look to the top right corner of the Gmail window and click the gear icon. This opens the Quick Settings panel. From there, choose See All Settings. This takes you to the full settings page, where Gmail lets you manage accounts, inbox behavior, and other important options. Across the top of the settings page, find and click the tab labeled Accounts and Import. This section is where Gmail handles connections to other email addresses, including importing mail and sending mail as another address. Now locate the area called Check Mail from Other Accounts. This is the feature that allows Gmail to pull messages in from another inbox, so you can read and manage everything in one place. In that section, click Add a Mail Account. A small pop-up window will appear to guide you through the setup. In the pop-up, enter your Yahoo email address. Be careful to type it correctly since Gmail uses this to connect to the right account. After you enter the address, click Next to continue. On the next screen, select the option Link Account with Gmailify, then click Next again. Gmailify is designed to link certain email accounts into Gmail for a more integrated experience, so you can manage incoming messages more smoothly. At this point, you will be prompted to sign in to the external email account and approve access. Follow the sign-in prompt, then choose Yes or Allow when you see the permissions request. This authorization is what lets Gmail connect and retrieve your messages. After you grant permission, Gmail will complete the linking process and return you to your settings. Give it a moment to start syncing. If you do not see messages right away, refresh Gmail and check again later, since the first sync can take a little time. And that is all there is to it.